Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 2 for Vlogmas here on my YouTube channel, and today I'm so excited. Today we are actually going to be cleaning my room so that we can start decorating for Christmas. Now, typically when I decorate for Christmas, I do it the day after Thanksgiving. This year I'm doing it the day before Thanksgiving. Yeah, and then tomorrow's video is going to be me actually decorating for Christmas. Let's start cleaning. So I think the first step of the cleaning process is just to pick up stuff around my room so that we can wipe down all the countertops and the tables and things like that. Now that the countertops and the tables are picked up, I'm going to now start washing my dishes. Okay, so now that we picked up around the room, now we can actually start cleaning. I have been loving to use this from Trader Joe's. This is a multi-purpose cleaner. It's cedar wood and sage. I absolutely love the smell of this. It's one of my favorites. And then I'm also going to use the Trader Joe's all-purpose disinfectant cleanser. This is fresh citrus, and this one's really great too. So I'm just going to wipe down the sink area, and then the other part of the countertop that I'm going to wipe down, I already did a little bit of decorating for Christmas. I just put up my hot chocolate bar, so that's already done. I just want to clean up around that. I'm going to move on to my table, just wiping down the table. Now I'm going to wipe down my makeup table. My makeup table gets the most dirty, so I'm just going to wipe that completely down. Okay, that was it for cleaning for today. So tomorrow, for day 3, we are going to be decorating for Christmas. So see you guys tomorrow.